Good day, citizens. It is 4:22 p.m. Eastern Time. It is 9/5/2021, September 5th, 2021. And we're going to wrap up our staking experiment we're doing in PancakeSwap here. Let's check it out here. The current price of a cake on PancakeSwap is $24. We originally staked when the coin was worth $25.26. We're at $24.09, so we lost a little bit of value in what our cake is worth. And you can see that we did that on 4:25 p.m. on 8/29/2021. It is currently 4:23. By the time you hit the 25, this will be a week's worth of staking. We're going to go ahead and check it out here. We put in 151.62 cake at a dollar amount of $3,830.71. We can currently see with the staking rewards, because this is an auto compounding stake pool, that we have 153.47 cake, and we have a dollar amount of $3,697.78 US dollar wise in the pool for what our money is worth now, and that is only because the price of cake dropped. So to reflect on that, we have not lost any cake. We have gained cake because we have been staking, but the dollar amount did drop because it fluctuates with the market. Now you can say we lost money because even though we're staking, we only made $44 and our original staking amount was $3,830. Or you can look at it like this and say, well, if I just wait for the cake price to go back up and I have this extra cake, then I have made money. So what I like to do is I like to take my profits from cake, and I usually go up here to exchange, and I'll either put them in BNB, or I'll put them in Binance US dollar, or I'll put them in another project. It doesn't really matter. Sometimes I'll even get frisky or hop around and play the lottery, but I don't do that too much because I'm not really a gambler anymore. Back in my younger days, that was a thing. But you guys can see here, we did indeed make 1.85 cake, which is equivalent to 44.66 US dollars. We were expecting to make $47.52 $47.52 US dollar wise, or 1.881. We fell a little short of that, and that is specifically only because of the price of cake dropping. But yeah, we're going to conclude that experiment. You can see it just hit 425. You can see the numbers here. This is a real example of staking and rewards. So you can comment below and say, "Oh, it's not real. It's fake." No, this is legit. I like to think that $40, man, an extra $40, that adds up. Just letting your coins ride and taking the staking rewards and putting them in other projects to grow your portfolio or to take some profit. It's a good deal, right? So we're going to conclude that experiment there. Staking works. You can make passive income. Sometimes your rewards may be higher or lower based on the market price of the coin that you are staking. It's and you can always calculate that in the calculator here, and you can see that if we do the current balance we got, we're estimated to make another 44 or 1.86. And like I said, that goes up and down based on the market. But to me, this is a success. $40 for 40 plus US dollars for a week of staking. Good to go. All right. Look at the prices here. Market's pretty green today. Things are looking good. Same thing on CoinMarketCap. Things are looking pretty good. Bitcoin's past 50K. Cardano's a little bit under $3, but I'm sure it'll get back there. BNB is just a quarter under $500. Man, what a journey that has been on. I can remember when that coin was $3. XRP is at $1.29. Doge is at 31, and Solana coming down a little bit, but it's been on a real tear. We talked about that in the last video. I'm not going to go into too many more prices. That's just, you want the prices, come to coinmarketcap.com or go to Kraken or Coinbase or Binance or KuCoin or wherever you go to check your coin prices. I'm not going to be adding these in the video too much in the future because I think it just wastes time and it's not really interested to people. They can do their own research on that. Quick thing here on talking while we're on the subject of Cardano here though. Been waiting on Sunday swap for a while. I think they're going to be like the PancakeSwap of Cardano. So I've been following them, and it seems that they have actually tested deposits and withdrawals, and they're saying that here on the Reddit. I'm not going to give you my tag here, but just thought I would link this here, and you can check it out. And the team is very communicative, and they talk about the issues here of the EUTXO controversy, and they go pretty deep dive into it. And if not, you can find them on Discord as well, and they really talk about how they plan to get around the issues that other dexes and other blockchains have faced. So really looking forward to their project and to see where they go. Have high hopes for them, and I can't wait to stake and make some yields with them. Let's see what else to get into. Close this out. I'll play this real quick. Just listen to what Trunks has to say.
And that's what makes it so difficult. It's amazing what a little bad PR can do.
It's amazing what a little bad PR can do. And this is Trunks here. This is Dragon Ball GT. It's a little bit of a nerd section here. I'm gonna get, if you're on Facebook, I've been seeing this guy pop up left and right, and crypto's gonna crash. I'm just gonna say it. Fuck this cocksucker. Who is he? Who is John Paulson, and why should you give a fuck, or why should you not give a fuck? Pardon my language. Well, John Alfred Paulson, born December 14, 1955, is an American billionaire hedge fund manager. If this don't say it all to you right here, hedge fund manager, then I don't know what to say to you. And he made his money in 2007 by using credit default swaps. Well, let's talk about that for a second. Let's talk about what happened in 2007 and 2008. Maybe you're not familiar. In 2007 and 2008, there was a financial crisis. And what does that have to deal with? That has to deal with the lending and credit system of the United States. Assholes like this guy bet against the people for credit default swapping and made billions. So you're really going to listen to assholes like this son of a bitch when it comes to crypto? I personally am not. So when I see Facebook post this kind of bullshit and I see people worshiping these kind of guys, man, you guys are fucking retarded when you do that. Pardon my language. But why do you idolize motherfuckers like this who got rich on stomping the middle class and the little man? He took your money. People lost their homes. They lost bank accounts. They lost retirements. They lost a lot of shit. So pardon me for getting a little worked up when I hear somebody like this saying crypto's going to zero. Nah, he can suck a dick. That's how I feel about it. And you can thumbs this up or thumbs it down based on how you feel. But I'm going to call it like I see it. So when you see, and even though this is on, I think when you're on Facebook and you see this pops up on Dogecoin, this is on Business Insider and other stuff. And as much as I hate this asshole, I'm agree with the hedge fund guys because they do one thing that the common investor doesn't do. And this is a little bit of education for you guys. I do stocks on the side, but not as much. But you have to hedge your bets, okay? Hedge your investment portfolio. He's saying here that he's buying mining stocks and gold and all that. And I'll tell you right now, man, if you're in crypto and that's all you got, you're rolling the dice, brother. You're casting a die in a one-sided lot. Have something else that is an asset that you hold as well. Keep a little cash, even if you don't believe in it. So if shit hits the fan, you can pay your car, you can pay your truck, you can buy groceries. If not, man, let's take a look here. See if I can find them real quick. Alright, can't do it. I'm going to go ahead and type them up. I'm going to show you guys something. American Precious Metal Exchange, called APMEX, right? A lot of you guys don't know this. There's other coin exchanges too, but you can actually buy gold and silver with crypto, okay? So like, you can check out and buy real precious metals with crypto. And I'm going to tell you right now, man, gold and silver, even if you think it's just a pet rock, it has value. Old timers hold this, right? You can go to any coin shop anywhere in the world and you can change this over for that country's currency. You can go in other countries, if you're outside of America, you can go to the bank and you can get that country's currency. And it's just something that I want to bring to the forefront as hedging a little bit. Having not all your eggs in one basket, they say, right? That is the way to do it. And that's just APMEX. This is somewhere that I've bought gold and silver from before. I know they're legit. So maybe you don't want to keep all your coins in crypto. Maybe you're making some great staking yields here, and maybe you just want to take some of that and say, well, screw it, I'm gonna buy a silver coin here and there, and that's a great thing to do. If not, man, roll it into another asset, diversify your portfolio, and continue to grow. But don't let the FUD and as Trunk said, the bad PR ruin your investing mindset and your investing portfolios and your investment plans. Have a plan. I always say this. Plan it out. Have long-term, short-terms, have dollar amounts to exit, have take profits, have safety nets. Maybe if it falls down to this percentage or this price, you even sell. And when we talk about the credit default system here, this is what it is, man. It's people, they pretty much bet against the market saying that bonds and the credit will fail. And this is kind of in the mortgage and CD. It talks about, this is good history here, just stuff that you should probably read. If you're not American, you might not really give a crap. But if you're into finance and you're into learning and educating yourself, you should definitely check it out and definitely learn from these guys, because these guys are scared. They're really, really scared of what people are doing in DeFi and crypto. They act like they're not. But when it comes down to the SEC and the regulation and what's going on with Ripple lawsuit, and now they're coming after things like Uniswap, and they say they got other dexes on their radar. You can just see that the tides are changing. So keep your eyes on the market. Don't let the FUD shake you out. Don't be chasing falling knives. I say this every time, but man, just keep your head up. Stick to your plan and don't lose vision, man. Keep your eye, and you can see, man, that Coinbase has it here listed at 55% sell. Whatever, man. I mean, you look at the week, it's still doing pretty good. Look at the month. Let's look at the yearly here. It was at $40 once before we had the big dip in Bitcoin. I mean, I wouldn't let FUD and fear shake me out. Like I said, if you believe in the protocol, you believe in the use case, usually hold by the coin, but always have exit strategies. Don't marry the coins. I got a couple coins I feel like I'm married to, but I believe you me, if I need to pay bills, I will exit them. And as much as I love the projects, I'm still in profits even at the point they are. They would have to fall, most of them 4 or 5x from where I've got, because this bull run has been nothing but returns for me. And I wish a lot of you guys would have got in sooner, but hey, it is what it is. I look forward to Cardano taking off when contracts go live. I look forward to VeChain really picking up. XRP, once this whole dog and pony show by the government is done, I can't wait to see what happens there. If you're a Link Marine, you're in good profit today. 10%, that's great. Definitely a fan of Chainlink. I remember buying that back in the day at $1 here. And just for shits and giggles, I'm going to show you guys this. We'll go into my purchases, and I'm going to show you that I bought it way back in the day, September, right? The price for the coin was 1.74. Now, I don't hold any on Coinbase anymore, but I'm going to give you guys a little bit of my background and where I'm coming from. And if you're following these videos, I want you to realize I'm somebody that you can trust, and I want to see you win. I'm not just shilling you coins, not just talking out my ass. I'm a man of the people. AMP, I don't know. We'll see where AMP goes. Ramp, you were able to actually stake for on PancakeSwap as well. It's interesting to see Shiba. I do my stocks on Webull. Not going to throw out a referral link because I really don't care. If it ever comes to that, then so be it. But I just got an email saying that Shiba Inu was going to be on Webull, so I find that interesting. But I'm going to close this video here, guys, and that's just a little bit of money in this portfolio that I leave sitting around. Most of it I keep on a ledger, so you're not going to be able to get that or see those assets unless I really want to show you. Staking works, man. If you're not staking, I think you're really screwing up. I stake the EuroE, I stake here, I stake on Ellipsis, I stake on multiple DeFi and DEXs. And I want to talk about Rabbit Swap or Rabbit Finance. I know I made a video on them. I don't even know if I still got them on here. Do I still got them here? Yeah, I pulled out of this project, guys. I'm gonna leave it off here, but I pulled out of them because I don't like how they keep making and renaming coins and changing their pools around, and just their page won't even load. So I mean, that says it all right there to me. The Telegram group has tons of people in there always chiming off, but I'm just done with it. I'm not saying you can't make returns, but I exchanged my I think I might hold some rabbit, just waiting for the price to go back up. I think I put them all in Binance US dollar. So you won't be seeing me make no more videos about that, and that's just the way it is. I'm gonna leave off there, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have a good one. You stay blessed and keep your eye on the ball, man. Keep making money. Peace.